Are you facing difficulty in integrating current affairs into your exam preparation?
Are you taking adequate number of tests to identify gaps in your preparation?
Are you getting the right kind of evaluation and feedback for the tests that you are taking?
Are you getting the right kind of push just before the prelims and mains examination?
Are you getting the right kind of guidance or mentorship throughout your civil services preparation?
Is there any course which can answer all these queries?
Yes, there's Rao's IAS General Studies Integrated Quality Improvement Program which solves all these problems. Let's take a look how. Every year, hundreds of students reach out to us in order to understand what they can do in order to improve their performance or score in the UPSC examination. Now, if you look into the entire problem, they basically require expert guidance. Now, this particular group comprises of both type of students. This includes people who have received coaching and also those who have not received coaching but they prepared on their own. So, Baswa, how current affairs will be integrated in this GSI QIP program?
Students face a lot of difficulty in integrating current affairs into their exam preparation. For example, the students keep on reading newspaper articles, but they fail to convert the newspaper articles into exam-centric knowledge. Secondly, people are required to go to multiple sources to keep themselves updated with the current affairs. Thirdly, people find difficulty in understanding as to in what way UPSC could ask questions in the UPSC prelims as well as the mains examination. Hence, keeping in mind the difficulties faced by the students, we have come up with the current affairs classes as a one-stop solution for all your problems. In these current affairs classes, we will be analyzing all the important articles from the perspective of prelims as well as mains by adopting a 360-degree approach. The idea behind these current affairs classes is twofold. One, to provide you with highly curated exam-centric knowledge. Two, to convert the newspaper articles into prelims and mains-based questions and discuss as to how you should tackle those questions in the examination. So overall, these current affairs classes would empower you to approach the UPSC examination in the right direction.
Now, when we talk about these classes are going to be instrumental in terms of defining the applied aspect of this knowledge. But applied aspect has to be tested as well. And for this particular purpose, Pallavi will throw light on how testing is important or integrated in the GSI QIP program.
Yes, testing is very important because only when you test yourself, you will be able to identify your weak areas. And once you identify your weak areas, you will be able to take corrective action. Now, in this regard, it is important to develop an integrated approach with respect to covering the length and the breadth of this humongous UPSC syllabus. But this has to be done in an efficient manner. So, we have devised this test series that will help you test yourself with respect to the same subject both from the point of view of prelims as well as mains. Alongside, it will also ensure all the important themes of the year are covered in the test series so that your preparation is holistic.
Now, when we talk about this particular mode of testing, this is going to be very efficient one, but testing is just one part of this entire game. There's another aspect of evaluation and mentorship as well. So, Mangal, what we will do in terms of evaluation and mentorship?
Now that Pallavi has already talked about the test design scheme, let us talk about one other important aspect for our test series, that is evaluation and feedback. In terms of evaluation, you will be provided evaluation by experts of their subjects, and also feedback will help you in improving your areas of preparation. Not just this, we will also provide you with strategic discussion classes after every test, which will help you in writing the answers from the UPSC perspective or the requirement of the UPSC. Also, we will help you in maximizing your scores, especially in the prelims examination with the kind of knowledge that we already have. And last but not the least, we will focus on solving your specific problems by subject matter experts and mentors.
Now, when you are going to get all the solutions enrolled into one program, now the point that we need to highlight is that just before the examination, you need to up your game. And for this particular purpose, QIPs, the prelims QIP and the mains QIP are integrated as well. So, Vaibhav, how prelims and mains QIP will unfold in this scheme?
Yes, sir. To get the right kind of push just before the prelims and mains is very important, as you rightly point out. And so, we have quality improvement programs both for prelims as well as for mains examination. For prelims QIP, we go through very rigorous classes where we take up all the important themes for that particular year, along with solving MCQs as well as all the previous year questions relevant for that particular year. As far as mains QIP is concerned, we go through very rigorous classes to cover all the important themes for that particular mains year, as well as we do very rigorous answer writing practice to warm you up just before the mains examination.
So this is the entire scheme, but the central idea or the point that is going to take us forward in the entire journey is the idea of mentorship. So when you talk about the mentorship, you require a continuous support, and now Navesh sir will talk about how mentorship actually will help you in this entire scheme.
Yes, sir, you're actually right. Now, mentorship is one of the key components of GSI, and the thread of mentorship runs throughout the GSI course. Now, through mentorship program, we aim to provide you continuous support and guidance so that you can identify your weak areas and also you can maximize your score for your prelims and mains examination. Now, one of the key features of mentorship program is providing personalized solution to you, because we understand that your specific needs and requirements are very different from that of a group. So you can schedule your meeting with relevant subject experts in order to identify your weak areas and also chalk out a strategy to boost your prelims and main score. So through mentorship, we aim to provide you continuous guidance and support throughout your civil services preparation.
Now, one thing we also need to talk about is GS paper 4, ethics, integrity and aptitude, and we need to integrate current affairs with GS paper 4 as well. And for this particular purpose, Faizan sir is going to share his idea about how GSI QIP will do justice to GS paper 4 as well. For this particular purpose, let's go to Faizan sir on a remote location.
In the mains examination, all GS papers, including GS paper 4, are increasingly becoming more and more current affair oriented. So when we prepare for the ethics paper, current affair has to be integrated with the static section preparation. How do we integrate that? On the first level, current affair gives us examples to be picked and used in the answer writing. Then we have to be aware of important ethical issues and learn to do the ethical analysis of important current events. In the process, we have to learn the strategy to write the case studies that comes in section B of the paper. And we have to learn to frame our answer in the language of the paper. These are the crucial things, and these will be the focal point of ethics section in this course.
So you must have heard from the Faizan sir about how he's going to do this entire activity. Now let's try to understand the central idea of defining that General Studies Integrated Quality Improvement Program is to give you inputs which are going to help score more marks. And when I say more marks, the quantum could be as high as 100 to 120 marks. Apart from that, it will ensure that you will be there in the top 100 people when you're going to appear for the examination next time. So do subscribe this course and ensure that you are going to clear the examination in flying colors when you go next time. From the entire team of Raza IAS, we wish you all the very best.